Alright. For the first meeting, I want to call your name first, Mas Ahmad. Mas Ahmad Nur Hadi. Ini Mas kan? Ini Mas kan, orangnya nggak ada ya? Nggak ada, absen. Mas Alfi. Itu Mas atau Mbak? Alfi Roshidah. If you are there, please say present. Hello? Anyone there? No? Okay. Bagaimana dengan ini Mas atau Mbak? Dede Diki Rivaldi. Itu Mas ya? Oke, thank you so much Mas. Oke. Ini Mas atau Mbak? Dinar Wulandani. Mbak. Oke, Mbak Dinar, are you there? Mbak Dinar? No, absent. Mbak Dwi? Mbak Dwi Agustianingsih? No. Mbak Evi? Mbak Evi Yunita? Mbak Evi Yunita, are you there? No. Mbak Irma Estika? Okay. If you cannot talk, please, you can type on our chat box. Okay? Alright, thank you. And then, ini Mas atau Mbak? Isnain Evi Nuraini. Nggak ada ya? Oh, ini Mbak Isnain ya? Oke, thank you. Dan berikutnya Mbak Kristina. Mbak Kristina, are you there? Mbak Kristina. Okay, nobody. Mbak Istiqomah. Istiqomah. Bener nggak sering mengucapkannya? Istiqomah atau gimana? Halo Mbak Istiqomah? Nggak ada. Oke. Mbak Kusmiati. Kusmiati. Mbak Kusmiati? Nggak ada ya? Nggak ada ya? Oke. Ini Mas atau Mbak M. Bai Haki. Nobody. M. Bai Haki. Oh, itu Mas ya? Oke, berarti M-nya itu Muhammad ya? Oke, thank you. Mbak Mart. Nah, itu siapa? Hello, siapa tadi yang bilang saya hadir? Siapa nih? Halo, Mbak Kristina ya? Oke, thank you. Mbak Martija? Mbak Martija? Are you there, Mbak Martija? Hello, Mbak Martija? Mbak Martija, are you there? No? Okay. Mbak Nasi Oktari? Mbak Nasi Oktari? No one? Mbak Nasi Oktari? Are you there? No. Mbak Nimatus Soliha? Okay, are you a female? Okay, thank you. Oh, you say she? This is not Chongwon. Oke, thank you Mbak. Mbak Ramawati Ida Prasinta. Halo. Mbak Ramawati. Mbak Ramawati, can you hear my voice? No. Mbak Rianti Handayani. No. Mbak Sopika. No. Mbak Sri Pujiastuti. Mbak Sri Pujiastuti. No. Mas Tulas Agustianto. Halo, Mas Tulas. Mas Tulas. Mas Tulas Agustianto. Oke, thank you Mas. Mbak Ulfa Reni Rahmawati. Thank you. Mbak Wiwin. Mbak Wiwin. Halo, Mbak Wiwin. No. Mbak Wiwit. Ini namanya agak sama tapi beda. Wiwin sama Wiwit. Mbak Wiwit. Nggak ada. Yuk. Mbak Yunita. Oke. Oke, siapa yang belum dipanggil namanya? Sudah semua kan? Sudah kan? Halo. Nah, jika Sir bertanya tolong dijawab ya. Biar Sir juga merasa Oke, it's okay. Thank you ya. Okay, now I want to ask you about the chairman or chairwoman. Who is the chairman here? Siapa ketuanya? You haven't choose it? Hello? Belum ada ya? Siapa yang mau jadi ketua? Who wanna be a chairman or chairwoman? Hello? Mana nih Mas Agus? Mas Agus, itu tadi ya Mas Tulas Agus ya? Mana nih Mas Agus? Are you okay? Will be a chairman in this group? Halo, Mas Agus? Itu suaranya Mas Agus kenapa pelan ya? Gitu dong. Oke. Jadi Mas Agus ini jadi chairman dari mata kuliah reading 1 ya. Buat Mas Agus, tolong nanti nama-nama dari reading 1 itu dikasih sama saya. Terus kalau boleh dikasih email atau Facebooknya. Terus jenis kelaminnya. Nanti Sir juga nggak salah ucapkan. Sir bilang itu Mbak, padahal Mas. Oke? Oke Mas Agus, bisa nggak? Oke, terima kasih Mas. Oke Mas. Oke, so far do you have any question about our introduction? No? Okay, that's good. So that I told you before, don't be afraid to speak, okay? Don't be afraid to speak. I hope you can talk. If I have any question, you can answer me. Don't be ever afraid. Alright? You got it? Little I nervous. It's okay. It's better you nervous and then you try. Then you never try. Okay? Alright. Let's start. Actually, I'm very happy to see you here because you're new students in Ute, Taiwan. Okay? Because, last semester I have taught for reading 1 only 8 students. But today, there are a lot of people here. 24 students. Really? Wow, that's awesome. I hope you can finish your study. Don't break your study in the middle of your semester. Keep fighting. All right? Yeah, if you have any question about the lesson, please let me know, okay? I will open for you. Alright, let's begin. Okay, let's start now for our lesson reading 1. For today, we will learn about Module 1. It's about previewing and predicting. Okay? So, if I tell you like this one, can you see the PPT? Okay, if you see this one and read, does this sound like you? First, my mind wanders when I'm reading. I don't seem to understand what I'm reading, and I can't remember any of it. Apakah kamu itu? No? Okay. Itu bisa dilihat di PPT-nya, Mbak. Apakah kamu salah satu orang yang seperti ini? My mind wanders when I'm reading. I don't seem to understand what I'm reading, and I can't remember any of it. Ada nggak orang yang di sini seperti yang poin 1 ini? Gak ada ya? Oke, berarti semuanya udah jago-jago. It means that you're really smart. Is that really you? Hello, is that really you? Yeah. Sometimes it's hard to remember, right? Yeah, I know that. Okay, and then the second, I can find the important material in the textbooks. Is it like you? Apakah ini seperti kamu? Aku sangat sulit mendapatkan materi-materi penting di dalam buku bacaan. Jika itu juga berarti Anda tepat sekali datang ke reading 1 ini. Nah, yang ketiga, I can keep up with my reading assignments, so I cram the night before a test. Is it like you? Really? Why, Mbak? Siapa yang bilang yes? Mbak Irma ya? Ayo Mbak, kenapa Mbak? Mbak, kenapa Mbak? Ayo Mbak, jadi setiap malam itu Mbak menghafal ya? Kalau ada tes. Okay, if the 3 points is showing right you, means that you're really good to come. It's good for you to come for the reading 1 class, okay? Jadi sangat cocok sekali kalian datang di mata kuliah reading 1 ya Mbak, ya Mas. Jadi kita di sini sama-sama belajar. I'm learning, you learning, okay? So we can discussing each other. Alright, let's move on. So for our chairman, can you read this part? Who is our chairman? Mas Agus, can you read this one? Yeah, read it please. Ya, thank you so much, Mas. Tadi Masnya ada yang agak gimana gitu ya membacanya seperti yang ini, Mas. Being an active reader can help you understand more of what you read and remember it longer. To be an active reader, preview a text, set a purpose for reading, build on what you already know, and dialogue with the text. Oke, jadi ini adalah tipsnya ya. Jadi saya harap di dalam reading 1 ini diharapkan lebih aktif lagi membaca ya. Lebih aktif lagi bertanya. Because in reading 1, it means that you are comprehend. Oke, memahami apa yang kamu akan baca. Bukan hanya membaca bla 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 bla. Not like that. Oke. After you read, you understand what you have read. Okay? Alright, let's begin. For Module 1, we will learn about previewing and predicting. Okay, so before it, do you know what is the meaning of previewing? Alright, who is that? Mbak Irma. No, halo Mbak, bukan pre ya, pre. Ya, previewing. It's okay. Can you repeat please again? Mbak Irma, can you repeat again your answer please? It's okay, you can mix your language, Indonesia or English. Mm-hmm. 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 That's it. Terima kasih sudah membaca modul ya Mbak. Serkan tanya pendapat Mbak sendiri, bukan pendapat dari modul. But it's okay. You try your best. Okay, Mbak Irma. Alright. Do you have any opinion about what is previewing? Anyone else? No, I mean, do you know what is the meaning previewing? Who is that? Can you tell your name, please, if you talk? Once again, please. I can hear you. Oh, Mbak Isnain. Okay. Can you? Oh, okay, Mbak Evi. Okay. Alright. Go ahead, Mbak Evi. Dalam membaca cepat. I see. Okay, thank you, Mbak. It seems like similar with Mbak Irma, right? Means that you say for reading quickly, right? Alright, do you have another answer? How about for the man? Who's that? Hello, who's talking? Oh, Mbak Irma lagi. Lah, yang lain gimana? Kenapa Mbak Irma melulu? Come on. Okay, go ahead, Mbak Irma. You means that? Summarize. Okay, thank you so much, Mbak Irma. Who's that? Itu siapa yang ngomong? Oke, Mbak. Kenapa, Mbak? Oh, Mbaknya mau jawab. Mbaknya tiba-tiba, halo, sir. Kita... Oke, go ahead, Mbak. Ya. Apa, Mbak? Oke, berarti inti dari semua jawaban dari teman-teman sekalian bahwa previewing itu adalah cara membaca cepat agar mendapatkan intisari dalam sebuah paragraf. Oke, jadi hampir sama semua jawabannya karena sudah ada di modul. Okay, alright. Let's take a look this one. So, when we learn about previewing and predicting, we have goals. What is that? First, we have to mention the information from the text by using previewing. And also, the second, we can guess the text with the sign from the text. Ini tujuannya kita mempelajari ini ya. This is the goal. These the goals when we learn about previewing and predicting. Okay? Alright. Like you told before, so previewing means that looking for information before you read. Yeah, that's good. Jadi kan contohnya kan kita ingin mendapatkan sebuah informasi itu kan kita harus tahu dulu apa aja kebutuhan dari kita itu sebelum kita membeli, seperti membeli sebuah buku kan. Nah, sebelum kita membeli buku, apa aja yang kita lihat? Pasti itu siapa penulisnya dan apa judulnya, ya Kak? Ya, seperti juga mereview. Nah, yang kedua, previewing means that helps you to read faster and understand better. Jadi sama seperti tadi ide-ide teman-teman sekalian bahwa membaca cepat merupakan salah satu teknik yang digunakan di dalam previewing. Nah, don't forget if you want to review something or the text or the book, you can previewing based on the context. Jadi nggak mengada-ngada ya, itu mereviewnya itu harus berdasarkan konteks. Jangan dikatakan mereview ini tentang buku yang ini padahal salah. Iya nggak? Okay? Based on the context. Alright, so far do you have any question about this one? Yes? Who say yes? No? Alright, if you don't have, I will ask you. Okay? If you don't have any question, I will ask you. Alright. So, please take a look this book. Have you ever read this one? Do you know this title? The Hobbit, not Hobbit. Hobbit. Not Hobbit. Okay? Hobbit. Alright. Have you ever heard about this book? Or this movie? No? Alright. If you never watch or read, it's okay for me. Okay? So now for your task, I give you 1 minute. How can you review this book? Okay? How the way you can review this book? Alright? If you can answer my question, I will give you a point. Okay? I give you 1 minute. How can you review this book? Start right now. All right. Oh, wait. I will say time is over, and then you can start to answer. All right. Time is over. Who wanna answer? Who want to answer? No one? All right. If you don't want to answer, it's okay for me. I can pass it. Can you say your name, please? Hello, who's that? Itu siapa? Ayo, one by one, please. One by one, and then you can say your name, and then also you can answer. Who's that? Mbak apa? Oke, Mbak Nafia. Nasi. Oke, Mbak Nasi. Can you answer? How can you review this book? Belakang-belakang gimana, Mbak? Belakang dapur. From the synopsis. Okay. Is there any more, Mbak Nasi? Ada lagi? Mbak Nasi, ada lagi? Itu siapa yang memakai dua Skype akun ini? Karena itu buffering loh. Itu suaranya nggak enak banget. Bisa nggak dimatiin yang nggak ngomong? Sekarang nggak apa-apa, yang penting bisa dilihat PPT-nya, yang satu lagi digunakan pakai voice. Itu aja. Satu lagi bisa matiin mikrofonnya, satu lagi nggak usah dimatiin. Gimana? Oke, sudah? Oke, thank you Mbak. Ayo Mbak Nasi, ada lagi yang mau dijelaskan bagaimana cara Mbak mereview buku ini? No? Okay, thank you Mbak Nasi. If you don't have any question and any answer more, how about the other one? Ada yang mau jawab? Who's that? Itu siapa yang nonton sinetron? Itu suara TV. Bisa nggak dimatiin dulu mikrofonnya? Kalau mau jawab baru bisa dihidupin ya. Itu masih ada. Oke, siapa yang mau jawab? How can you review this book? I think this is really easy questions. Like your friend said that Mbak Nasi said, you can review the book from the synopsis behind of the book. How about another friends? Okay, Mbak Irma. Just mix is okay. You can practice your English. Okay, you can practice your English. Don't forget to make some part of English when you talk. How? Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Mbak Irma. You say you can review the book from the title of the book, from the author of the book, right? So, anyone else to add about how can you review this book? Gak ada lagi ya? Alright, thank you so much for Mbak Irma and Mbak Nasi. You got the score from me. Okay, so who's that? Nah, kalau dibilang ditambah skor semua lomba. Udah ya, kita lanjut ya. Nah, like Mbak Irma said that we can review the book from the title and also from the author of the book. And also like Mbak Nasi say that we can review or read the book from the synopsis behind of the book. Okay? So, when we want to review the book, we can see the title. Okay? The title from the book. Why we should know about the title of the book? No, I mean, why we should know about the title of the book when we review? The content of the book. The story of the book. Yeah, that's right. We know the story of the book from the title, right? Ya enggak? Contoh, kita kan kalau membeli barang kan, kita melihat apanya dulu? Penampilan dari luarnya dulu kan? Kan itu mbak-mbak pada suka shopping kan? Covernya dulu. Kalau cowok-cowok suka shopping itu beda lagi ya. Jadi kita lihat dari brandnya ya kan, atau dari covernya. Sama seperti buku. Kalau buku kan kita lihat dari title-nya dulu ya kan, apakah itu menarik atau tidak. Nah, yang kedua kita bisa review itu melalui author. Do you know what is the meaning of author? Penulis. Siapa tadi? Itu Mas, siapa yang tadi bilang? Mas? Mas, jadi okay, Mas Dede. Okay, Mas Dede. Alright. Why you say from author, Mas? Why we should know the book from the author? How can you review? Mas Didi? Didi or Dede? Okay, Mas Dede. You said from author. How can you know from author? Why it's very important that you know the author? Iya, kenapa begitu penting tahu usernya, author itu penulisnya? Kenapa begitu penting waktu kita mereview? Gimana? Gak usah bingung, lanjut aja, it's okay. If you want to read something, or like a book, like Harry Potter, right? I do really like the author, that's J.K. Rowling. The one important thing we know the author because we fans of the author. Kan biasanya kan karena kita suka sama penulisnya, makanya kita jadi suka sama bukunya. Nah, biasanya kan biasanya kalau udah tahu tentang autornya, pasti kita udah tahu apa yang biasanya ditulis oleh si penulisnya. Seperti itu. Makanya kita itu bisa mereview sebuah buku itu atau teks itu dari penulisnya. Oke. Nah, yang ketiga itu kita bisa tahu ini fiction or non-fiction atau genre. Oke, genre from books. Okay. And then the fourth, what do you predict that this book about? Nah, setelah mereview kan, kita biasanya kan menebak-nebak kan? Pasti bukunya ini kayak gini ceritanya. Ya enggak, makanya bisa kita beli. Nah, yang kelima itu list some adjectives which are found in the reviews on the back cover of the book. Do you have any example this one? Nah, biasanya kan di dalam review itu kan kita mempunyai kata-kata adjektif, kata-kata sifat. Nah, biasanya apa yang kita temukan? Tadi katanya ada best seller. Nah, apalagi? Popular. Nah, seperti itu. Oke. Nah, yang keenam itu find any additional information about the author and write it here. Kan biasanya kan kita, kalaupun kita tidak tahu penulisnya, kita mengetahui penulisnya itu dari berbagai-bagai informasi kan, biar kita tahu. Nah, jadi ketika kita sudah tahu penulisnya itu, maka kita membeli bukunya. Seperti itu. Oke. Nah, yang ketujuh itu, would you like to read this book and why? Nah, setelah tahu itu mereviewnya, apakah kamu beli buku ini atau enggak? Oke. Nah, bagaimana dengan di teks? Nah, dari teks, tadi kan buku, sekarang kan teks. Tahu nggak perbedaan buku sama teks? What is any differentiate between book and text? Itu, bentar Mbak. Tadi ada suara, aduh, hello. Tadi ada suara mas-mas kecil banget tuh, tapi dia mau menjawab tapi kecil banget suaranya. Halo mas, siapa tadi suara mas yang kecil banget? Oh, Mas Dede. Mas Dede bisa nggak dikuatkan suaranya? Iya, tunjukkan lakimu katanya. Mas Dede. Oh, ya udah nggak apa-apa. Yang lain aja ya menjawab. Gimana? What is the differentiate between book and text? Ya, apa perbedaannya? Ayo Mbak Irma lagi nih. Come on Mbak Irma. Alright, thank you Mbak Irma. She said that we know a book from the cover. As I know also, if we have the text, they will also have a cover. Right? Nggak cuma buku punya cover, Mbak. Teks juga punya cover. Ya nggak? Nah, bagaimana yang lain? Nggak apa-apa, Mbak. Nggak apa-apa, Mbak. Ayo, Mbak Evi. That's good. Alright, oke Mbak Evi. Nah, jadi kan tadi kita tahu kalau buku itu kan terdiri dari beberapa bab. Itu aja. Ya enggak? Buku kan terdiri consist of the chapters. If text only one, consist of the several paragraph. Ya enggak? Itu kok susah dari semuanya. Oke. Jadi bagaimana kita caranya mereview di dalam teks? Tadi kan kita sudah mereview di dalam buku. Nah sekarang how about the text? First, if you want to review about the text, we knew about the title, right? We should read the title. Jadi kita harus membaca judulnya dulu ya. And then the second, if you have any picture on the text, you can review the picture. Tapi itu pilihan ya Mbak. This is optional. Oke. Oke, yang ketiga, you can read the first sentence from the first paragraph. Kenapa kita harus membaca first sentence dari first paragraph? Kenapa rupanya? Kenapa nggak di tengah-tengah? Atas paragraf atau awal kalimat? But it's okay. Yeah, right. Usually we find the main idea in the first sentence of the paragraph. So from that one, we know about what is the main idea of the paragraph. Okay. Jadi kalau kita sudah tahu dari kalimat pertama itu tentang ini, pasti di dalam kalimat pendukungnya atau isinya itu tidak jauh-jauh dari kalimat yang pertama. Karena biasanya kalimat yang kedua, ketiga, keempat adalah kalimat pendukung dari kalimat yang pertama. Seperti itu. Oke. Nah, yang keempat juga sama. Dari last sentence. Biasanya juga ada di last sentence. Kenapa di last sentence? Itu siapa yang menjawab? Siapa? Oh, Mbak Nasi lagi. Mbak, maaf ya. Mbak Nasi kan? Bukan Mbak Nasi ya? Halo Mbak Nasi? Mbak Nasi. Tadi katanya karena kesimpulan. Iya. Yeah, because usually we find the sentence in the last because that's the conclusion from the paragraph. Okay? Sudah paham? Ini yang harap dicatat ya. Oke, yang kelima, kita bisa mereview itu dari nama, tanggal, atau dari nomor-nomor yang ada di dalam teks. Oke? Alright, so do you have any question about this one? Ada pertanyaan nggak? Atau sir kecepatan? Kecepatan nggak sir? Am I really fast for you to explain this all? Sudah bisa kan? Siapa itu yang ketinggalan itu? Siapa? Sopika, Mbak Sopika, welcome. I'm very sorry. Now you can join us. Gagal terus, makanya beli tiket, Mbak. Jadi gimana, Mbak? Udah bisa masuk kan? Pakai handphone ya? Ya udah, nanti Sir kirim ya PPT-nya ya. Okay. Now you can suggest your friends so that they can also use their mobile phone if they cannot join this class using laptop. Okay. Alright. So do you have any question about this one? How to review the text? No? No. Alright. That's good. So, can you see this picture? Not bicycle. Bicycle. Okay, bicycle. Okay. Can you review this? How can you see this one, this picture? Tadi kan kita buat ada mereview itu dari gambar. Ya enggak? Masih enggak? Atau udah ngantuk? Belum ya. Tadi kan kita katakan kalau kita mereview teks itu, kalau ada gambarnya, kita bisa mereview gambarnya dulu, ya enggak? Nah, karena di dalam gambar itu bisa merangkum dari segala isi teks. Oke? Nah, who can review this text? This picture, this picture. You cannot see? Who is that? Now, how about here? You can see now? Okay. Like I told you before, please say your name and then answer the question. Okay? Okay, Mbak? You can see what?